preparing for MAT 2026 exam, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be continuing the MAT PYQ Mathematical Skills Part 2. So yes, in Part 1 we have covered 3 important sums. In Part 2 we'll be seeing how much of our sums we can complete, and depending upon the response I will be showing remaining other sums. And this PYQ mainly is about, from the years about 2020. So I guess you'll have an idea, yeah? And most of you get wrong in mathematical skills, that's why. Yeah, let's start. Sum of two numbers. One of its number is 1/3 of the other number. So let us say the number 1 be 1 of x and number 2 is nothing but 1/3 of other number. So 1/3 of other numbers basically x by 3. So sum of two numbers n1 plus n2 will be nothing but 36. Find the smaller number. Smaller number is basically your n2 is a smaller number, okay? I'm just highlighting the smaller number. Your n2 is a smaller number. Basically, you're supposed to find n2, right? By the smaller number. So sum of x plus x by 3 is equal to 36. When you solve these things and find x, you'll be having x is equal to 27. And your n2 will be x by 3, which is 27 by 3, which is 9. So your n2 is nothing but 9. Are we clear with it? Yes. So now the next question. Next question is the retail price of water geyser is rupees 1265. Okay, the manufacturer gains 10%, the wholesale leader gains 15%, and retail leader gains 25%. So basically now wholesale leader gains 15 and retail dealer gains 25%. Okay, the cost of the product. Okay, so let us see CP's cost price of the product is nothing but, let us keep CP of cost price of the product itself is x. Let us keep retailer gains 25%. Okay, so retailer gain percentage is nothing but 25%. So wholesale price is what? So retailer's wholesale price is basically, you can say it is 25%, right? So basically 25%, how do you do it? It is 125 by 100. So if you assume the wholesale price, so wholesale price, let us assume it as 100, 25% gain, it is 125 into the wholesale price gives you what? The retail price, which is nothing but, wholesale price is 1265. So 25% it is gained from the wholesale price. Wholesale price, let us keep it as W. So 25% gain means 100 plus 25, 125 of the cost price, wholesale price is equal to the selling price, right? So basically W will be getting 1012 is your answer when you find the W. Now, since the wholesale dealer gains, wholesale dealer gains 15%. So what is a manufacturing price? Wholesale dealer means that is manufacturer. He is giving it in manufacturing price. So manufacturing price. So let us keep it as M to find the manufacturing price. So since it's 15% gain from for the wholesale dealer, so 115, if you assume the wholesale manufacturing price is 100, 15% gain of the manufacturing price. So 1012 it gives you. Okay, so see, you are buying a commodity. See, for example, I am the wholesaler, you are the retailer, so I will be giving to the retailer by keeping some profit. So that whatever price I am giving to you, that will be my retail price, retail price for you. Okay, now what is my manufacturing price? So basically you will be having manufacturing price. Okay, manufacturing price, then the wholesaler gives to the retailer with some price, then retailer sells it to somewhere. Okay, so basically retailers wholesale price is wholesalers selling price. Are we clear with that? So when we find M value, it is 880. Now manufacturer, if the manufacturer gains 10%, so what is the cost price? Okay, so manufacturer gains 10% means 110 by 100 into the cost price is 880. So what is my X? X is nothing but I'll be having 800 is my X when I calculate. So let me just give you as a roadmap. So first you'll be having your cost price, which is X. From that you'll have a manufacturer gets it at whole, and he gets from the manufacturing price. Okay, now from here the wholesaler gives to the retailer with a wholesale price. From wholesaler, retailer sells it to a retail price. So this segment is nothing but wholesale segment, and this segment is nothing but wholesaler, and this segment is nothing but retailer. Okay, so this is wholesaler segment, this is retailer segment, and this is where your manufacturer segment. So you're manufacturing some cost price, manufacturer keep it at 10% and sells to the wholesaler keeps some 15% and sells, and retailer keeps 25% and sells. So if you buy a product and by the end itself, so many percentage they're keeping and selling. So basically they have asked you this, whatever the manufacturer really makes it, that is what they're asking. Okay, I hope you understood the sum clearly. Now let us see the next one. So a man left 1.5 of his property for his wife, 1/3 properties for his son, and remainder for his daughter. If his daughter's share worth of 45,000, how much money did he earn? Okay, so let us see the total property. So for total property, let us keep it as X. So daughter's share. So from the original property, first his wife is 1.5. 1.5 went for his wife. 1/3 went for his son. Okay, so remaining property is nothing but, so this property is nothing but the daughter's share. Okay, daughter's share. So now daughter's share worth of 45,000. So this will be equal to 45,000. Now X minus 5x by 6 gives you 45,000. When I equate this and I find my X, it is 2,70,000 is your answer. So your man will leave a money of 2,72,000. So I hope you understood this sum. So let us see the next sum, and if you want me to do it in the next video, do comment below. So this is the next sum. Kindly comment below the answer for it, and yes, if you really like this video, please share it. It will be really useful for me, and thank you and have a nice day. Bye.